Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for stopping by again. In this video, I'll be giving you an overview of how I use the Main Choices products to prep and treat my hair when I wear wigs. As you saw in my first vlog, I suffer from flaky scalp, and so protective styling is not always ideal, but I've been learning a few different methods of how to prevent and treat that. This will be a vlog explanation, meaning that this video is made up of multiple recordings on different days and it is not your typical tutorial or product review. I find them to be a bit boring and not very informational, so I decided to make up a new term as it's kind of like a vlog tutorial review all in one. Enjoy! Yeah, my flakes be looking like chunky, big and chunky. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's just really all up in there. Like, this is a big one, see? It's just really big. So, that's not good to have because then my hair is not gonna stay healthy. So we gotta fix that. Right now I'm just doing the top part and the front area. I'll do the back once I'm done with this part. I have now brought up all of that dead stuff from my scalp. Y'all can see all the stuff that's in my hair right now. It's all over the place. Those are just all the flakes. So now when you look at my scalp, there's no more flakes on my scalp. I got all that up by using this along with the hot oil treatment. So I'm about to wash my hands because I'm shedding. Like, I'm shedding so much. So much. Now that my hair is all big, I'm gonna go ahead and open this baby up. And we're gonna see what we're working with. Yes. So this is the Prickly Pear Paradise Applied to Dry Overnight Mask. Penetrating strength and superfood infusion. Has silk amino acids to intensely moisturize and repair, antioxidant rich formula, strength, blah 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 blah, you know. Contains cactus oil and pumpkin seed oil. So we're gonna sniff this baby. Notice I see, okay, so I actually saw some Main Choice products in oh, it smells nice. It smells like some Victoria's Secret lotion. It's like bubblegummy. Kind of reminds me of the pink lotion kind of scent, but just sweeter. Yeah, so I actually saw Main Choice products in TJ Maxx, and I didn't buy them because I like to think that everybody's products are sealed before you get them. Maybe I should have bought them because now I'm looking at it. This ain't really sealed. This just closed. And these don't have any expiration date on them. I like to buy products that have expiration dates on them, but I guess I'm gonna have to just accept it with this one. But yeah, this smells nice. So I'm gonna part my hair into 4 like I usually do, just so I can make it easier for me to distribute all the stuff through my hair. I'm gonna just be generous, real generous with this product. Now while I do that, because it's going to take me a minute to get through it, let's chit chat. Recently, I mean as of the time that I'm actually recording this video, there's been this whole thing going on about H&M. I don't know if y'all saw the kid campaign with the black girl and the messy hair and blah blah blah, you know. And there's been a whole uproar about it. Now I haven't really done my due diligence and my due research on it. However, from the little snippets that I've been seeing, I lied, I'm putting this into 6. There's this whole thing going on. Everybody's in a whole mess and upset because the black girl, her hair was not done. It was not polished, okay, is what I should say. And I can understand everybody's upset because the black girl, her hair was not done like very nicely. It wasn't like
it just looked raggedy and messy and all this other stuff, right? And yes, we do, you know, in the industry as far as like modeling and beauty or whatever, not really beauty, but like magazine, modeling, entertainment, that whole industry, really, we have a shortage or a lack of stylists that can properly style our hair, our textured, multicultural hair. And I say multicultural very loosely because, you know, 1 ounce of black and you might just end up with a fro. I'm just saying. So now what's going on is everybody just so upset that the baby girl had her hair all messy looking. But now that I kind of given it, y'all know my rule of like 3 days, give it 3 days and then we decide on what our opinion on the issue is. You know, gave it 3 days or maybe a little bit longer than that because it still wasn't coming together fast enough for me. Ooh, oh, whoa. Okay, this is not as thick as it looks. It's actually it's kind of like a medium when it comes to how slippery this thing is. So, careful. But yeah, homegirl, her hair wasn't done correctly, but when I look at the campaign or when I start reading more about what's going on with the campaign, you know, there's been all these social media photos of kids on their first day coming home. You know, they leave for school, then they come home and they look like they done been through it, like they done went to war at school, came home, and now they look a hot mess. That was what was going on. That was kind of like the kind of pictures we were seeing when the school year started. And I just think, you know, based on what I was reading, I think that that's what H&M was trying to go for with this kid campaign, is give that kind of play on what's happening, you know, across the net, and give it that kind of fun aspect to it, or to say like, you know, kids, they don't always end up staying polished. I'm guessing that's what was going on there, where it was that they were trying to play upon that. And instead of people actually taking the time to do their due diligence, which I'm being a hypocrite now because I haven't done it, but I'm saying instead of taking the time to look at all the other kids in the campaign, but my understanding right now is that all the other kids, their hair wasn't done nicely either. You know, their hair wasn't kempt is the word that I'm looking for. Their hair was not well taken care of and well polished. So it's like, you know, to see that everybody was just so upset because, you know, triggered, now they in distress, like everybody was just so mad because it was the black girl. They only saw the black girl. I don't think people that were very upset about it actually saw the rest of what was going on with the campaign. So it's really just like, it's just another one of those things where it just don't make no sense. Like, if you're gonna be upset, look through everything before you decide you want to be so mad and carry on and make comments about the girl's mom. And I feel like they were just going in on that. They were really just going in because that whole scandal happened and like it lasted for a while. Like I don't think it was like I think it was like a week before I finally started to see it die down, but even then it was just so like it was kind of jarring. But at the end of the day, yes, we do need more stylists and more hair care people who can take care of our colored folk and our black folk in the entertainment industry, because it is an issue, yes, but I think people just jumped the gun again by trying to come for H&M because they've had other scandals in the past. Y'all remember Monkey Boy? You know, the black boy that had the monkey jacket or whatever it was. They had that going, and then, you know, it's just been a lot for H&M. H&M just can't seem to catch a break with the black folk. Now, I'm gonna say this much about this product. I really hope that this scent does not stay in my hair because I'm starting to get annoyed with it. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, that's one of the reasons why I don't really like to switch up too much, is because some product companies, they love their fragrance or they love their scents, and I don't think that is actually I have to look at don't look at the ingredients to tell you if it has fragrance or not. But I'm just saying, I don't really like strong scents in my hair, and I really don't like my hair smelling all crazy fruity and stuff like that. I like fresh scents. Even when I'm using like perfumes and stuff, I like stuff that's like delicate, light, airy, you know, stuff like that. That's really what I like to go for. But this right now smells like some real sweet pink lotion, and I'm kind of worried. I do like how easy it is going through my hair right now, though. I don't feel like I need a whole lot, but or maybe I'm lying. I think I do need a lot of this thing for it to actually go through, because I just have a lot of hair. Maybe if I didn't have so much hair, I wouldn't have to do this, but my hair just really needs a treatment, and today is that day, honey. I'm gonna try to finish doing the rest of this, and we'll just keep chit-chatting once I'm done with this side. This is my hair. Next step, plastic cap. Catch y'all in a couple hours. Video time will probably be next couple seconds. We are on now day 3 of me doing this. I don't know. I started it, I started with the mask. I put that in my hair, let that sit for a while, and I did the whole hot oil treatment thing. And then I just got really tired, and I just needed a break. So that same night, I went in and I shampooed my scalp, really scrubbed it up nicely, did that twice. And I used this Reconstructor treatment from the Main Choice after I shampooed, and I followed the directions. Honestly, guys, this thing's really hard to come out of the bottle, so I just unscrewed the top and was like trying to get it as best as I could out of there. And you really don't need a lot of this for it to go throughout your hair. If you know how you feel your hair after you shampoo it, it feels stripped and all that, you know when this product touches your hair, because it gets really soft and smooth. And so I did that, and I didn't think it was going to be easy for me to detangle my hair with this in it, because it's a protein treatment kind of thing, but it actually helped with the detangle. Like, it wasn't hard for me to detangle my hair with this in there, and I didn't need a lot of it. I used it throughout my whole head, and I only budged that much of the bottle. Literally, this bottle is so tiny. But yeah, I did that, and then I rinsed it out, went in with my deep conditioners, and then I came out the shower, did a little bit of towel drying, and then I distributed my heat protectant in there. And I also used the Main Choice, this Scalp Renewal thing, and it tingled so much, you guys. It tingles just as much as my blueberry mint tea treatment from Curls. Like, it tingles just as much, if not more, than that thing does. So now I had blew out my hair, and then I put it into more Bantu knots. Bantu knots are my favorite way of keeping my hair stretched whenever I'm styling or in between styling steps. And then I just went ahead and part my hair with my trusty tail comb. I also used this Main Choice, doesn't get much butter than this. I'm gonna show y'all what this looks like on the inside. It literally is like, it's just butter, and it's very fine, like it's very refined, I feel. So like, you don't need a lot of it per section. I was just going in real healthy, like real generously, and just distributing it through each section as I was braiding my hair, so it can lock in all the moisture, so my hair does not dry out as it's in the wig. It stays healthy, stays happy. And then after I was done braiding everything up, I just took more of this and pulled it and put it right all over. I basically was using it real generously, like I was telling y'all, and I just put it right over the braid as I was done, and made sure it had all in there. And then I just put some of this, a little bit of this, through the parting sections, and just rubbed it in. Right now my scalp is feeling tingly and fresh. So now what I'm doing for like the rest of the week, or for the next 2 weeks I should say, is just taking my edge control, brushing up this front part, making sure it stays slick, slapping that wig cap on, and then slapping a wig on this. That is all I'm going to be doing for the next 2 weeks, nothing else. And just making sure that my hair, if it starts to feel a little dry, slapping more of this on there, maybe misting it first and then doing that, and then making sure that my scalp is happy and healthy by putting this on there in the section so that it doesn't dry out. That's really all there is to it. I really hope that I can get more wigs, because this is just wig life is where it's at right now for me, y'all. I just don't have the time to be doing my hair every day, and this is just the easiest way for me to get that and look cute still. So follow me on Instagram, or like follow me on Twitter, that's where I usually have a lot of me talking or like me showing pictures of myself with my wigs and all that. So yeah, if you want to see the wigs that I'll be wearing, just follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, at Indian Live. And if you want to see more videos from me on content like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to make sure that you never miss a video whenever I upload, go ahead and hit the little red button, the little bell button, I mean, and I'll see you guys next time. I don't know, I really don't have much to say. I think I'm probably gonna do a video next talking about what kind of products go for what, because I feel like certain brands are just good for certain hairstyles or hair lifestyles, I should say. But yeah, thanks for watching.